Hey guys, to work with Jupyter Notebook and other things, we have to install Anaconda Distribution. I will include this link in the description. All you have to do is just click on this download button. It will start to download the application. Now I already downloaded that package. I'm going to open that. Firstly, it will ask for this permission twice. Click allow, and again you have to click on this. Click allow. Now press continue and continue, agree, install. It will start to install that software. Now software has been installed. You can remove this installation file from your computer now. Now in your launchpad you will see this Anaconda Navigator is available. You have to open that. When you are opening this software for first time, it might take some time to load. Now it asking us to update the software. I will say no, don't show again. Now to start with notebook, we can click on this launch. It will start Jupyter Notebook. Now here it is still loading. I guess this is happening because we are opening the Jupyter Notebook for first time. Okay, now you can see this localhost server has been opened. Now we can go ahead and create a new file. I am going to choose my desktop. My desktop, and I'm going to create a new folder. Here actually that creating new folder is not working. I'm going to use terminal for this. I'm going to say cd desktop, cd my, and there are space, so that we have to say this backslash space to define there's a space, and desktop. Alright, now in my folder called coffee programmer, now in this folder I'm going to create a new folder called Jupyter, like that. Now in this folder we can do all the things that we are doing there. Okay, now if we hover into our Jupyter Notebook, we can go to this folder, and here I should find that Jupyter folder available. Okay, now we can create a new Jupyter Notebook file. I'm going to say print, and then inside parentheses hello world. That is my first code. Now click run. It will start to run our program. Okay, that is it. And you can simply save this file. Click as save as, and you can use whatever file name. I will say hello. Click save. Now if you go to your terminal, cd Jupyter, now I'm going to ls, you will see this hello.ipynb file is available. Okay, that is it for this lesson, and I'll see in the next lesson. Thank you.